The next thing we're going to look at is when we're doing an actual proof, there's certain things that we can see from a diagram. There's not many, all right, because I've said in the first section of stuff that we don't really want to look at a diagram and say, oh yeah, these are the same because they look the same. So the things that we're going to look at when we see a diagram are very limited. Primarily, all right, we're going to look for vertical angles, all right, and then we're going to look for something that's called the reflexive property, and I'm going to tell you what that is in the next little video that you'll see down below. So we want to focus on that. Those are the two main things that we look for when we're talking about just looking at the diagram. The other one that you'll see and you'll do sometimes is angles that form a straight line are supplementary. It means they add up to 180, all right, equal to 180. This one, vertical angles and reflexive property are by far the champions of this. When you're looking at a picture, you'll need this to get congruent pieces of triangles, and pretty much every proof that you're going to see is trying to get two triangles congruent. Some of the parts equals the whole is possible, but it's super rare. I've only seen maybe 3 or 4 different proofs total since I've been doing this that had that as a necessary step. So it's not something that you should be looking to do. It's something that when you're kind of out of ideas, you're like, oh, maybe this is going to help me. Pretty much everything else, you have to be told. The only thing I can think of is that 3 angles of a triangle equal 180, but again, it's super rare to see that in a proof. I don't think I've ever seen one on anything graded that had that be a step in the actual proof. Everything else you look at, if you think it looks the same, it probably needs something to be told to you, like bisector or parallel or perpendicular or something along those lines, so that you can actually say what you're thinking.